Oh yeah, I hear the train in the far distance. Probably over by the Christiana crossing, over by the post office. Well, I was reading oh yeah was reading a thread on Harry's old engine website as to the preferences of the finish on an old engine. So I already have a urethane coat of clear on these wood runners, and yeah, see, I got a little run right there. I needed to sand that out, so which I'll do. And but the I don't think there was an answer to it. It's preference. Whatever you want is what you want. So to that end, I feel like the finish on these skids was too shiny. So I'm going to sand them down. That's some at 320 right there. I'll give them a good sanding. You know, catching the light up there, and anywhere there's imperfection, something ain't right, you know, go ahead and sand it out. So, and I'm going to put another coat on these right here, and I'm going to use I think a semi-gloss. It's the next step down from the gloss. You know, it's got a little, it's not as glossy. So, that's what the project is today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's pretty good right there. times 2. I have 2 more skid runners to. That's that right there. That's that 320 grit. Knock that down right there. I'll run one of them red Scotch-Brite pads along there. Get a coat of that semi-gloss sponge brush. We'll see what it looks like then. Getting ready to unload it. And what I was going to show you is, you all see that it's a MAYTAG model 92. That's a flywheel off of one of them, such as it is, broken here and there. So the theory of 99.9% of the people seems to say that if you don't put a keeper on them old MAYTAG flywheels, they'll go bad on you. Well, you know, I never did think too much of them keepers in general, such as they are in a magnetic field. I'll show you this flywheel that's been laying among this trash here. It had a piece of plywood on it, and part of the part survived okay, but it back here at the back, you know, it got a little wet. But I'll show you that flywheel right there. Let's get that up out of there. Oh yeah, right there was a wasp nest from last year, done gone. Question is, oh yeah, typewriter. Yeah, something been living in there. But we get on past that and find the magnetism in that old MAYTAG flywheel there. Being up close corners and not to shake the camera over there, that's what it looks like. First time seeing that. Oh yeah, oh, it looks really good. You know, it's a little rusty, but well, it looks pretty good. Clean that up. Let's check the magnetism in it. This ought to work. But how y'all gonna see it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I thought it would hold that up in there. It just spanned across that gap right there is all that is, and it has, you know, it has that much attraction to it. So you know, as far as charging these, blaming the problem on a bad magnet is something else 9 times out of 10. I'm going to tell you about that. And it's perfectly good. You get that out there and put it in a good outer ring, and you'll be good to go if you needed it. Here in Middle Tennessee, they say it's a geographical center or something. That's Shop Dog Sam. Hey, y'all, come on back. In the meantime, leave a thumbs up,